Hi guys, welcome to TwinWinds. We are here with a new video of unboxing this parcel we have received from Amazon today. This parcel contains some filtering items like some ceramic rings, activated carbons, nose bioballs with some cotton inside on the bioballs. So actually we are planning to make a filter with this for our outside aquariums or pots. So we will make another video on it. So let us first open this item and let's see what's inside. Let's just open this and see what this item is delivered. The condition of the ceramic balls, ceramic rings actually. Yeah, this is it. See, this is looking good. I guess it will work good. So these are the ceramic rings. This is half kilo packet, that is 500 gram packet, and that open this also. Let us open this also and see what's inside. These are activated carbons. Put this inside again. We'll see these two. These are the nose bioballs. Some cotton will be inside this. I don't know how to open this. So let me try. Yeah. So the sponges are inside the cottons actually. These are the same sponge or cottons, you can say, that are used in aquarium filters. Yeah, it looks good. We will make a video on how to make a filter with these items. So this is the things. So they have delivered the product well, and the price is also affordable. It's just 350 or something. So you can buy this product from Amazon. I will share the link. So that's it. So this is the end of our video. And if you are interested in fish keeping, keep watching our channel. We are sharing our experiences on fish keeping and breeding in this channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.